Before you install the Windows 11 25H2 update, stop for a minute because today I'm going to show you the real problems, hidden bugs, and known issues that Microsoft doesn't always highlight. Many users from insider builds are already reporting performance drops, broken features, and even update failures. And trust me, you don't want to get stuck fixing your PC after a bad update. So before you click download and install, watch this video till the end. Let's get into the Windows 11 25H2 problems, bugs, and known issues. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I make easy and useful Windows tutorials and updates, so don't forget to subscribe if you want to stay ahead of every new Windows feature and problem. Alright, let's start with the first and most important issue. Installation and update failures. The biggest early complaint in Windows 11 25H2 is installation failures. What's happening? Many users who tried to install early 25H2 builds reported updates stuck at 0% or 99%, endless reboot loops, update installing and then rolling back, error codes like 0x80702, 0x8UF81F, and 800F0922. These errors usually happen when the system doesn't meet updated hardware checks. Secure boot or TPM behaves differently. There's lack of enough free storage. An older driver blocks the installation. Why this matters. If your device fails mid-install, Windows sometimes reverts successfully. But in rare cases, it can corrupt your boot files, which means you won't be able to log in. So if your PC is important for work or study, don't rush this update on day one. Performance drops and lag. Performance inconsistency is another major issue. Users have reported sudden FPS drops during gaming, desktop freezing for 10 to 15 seconds, slow file transfers, higher CPU usage from background services, lag when opening Start menu or settings. Even though Microsoft promises improved performance, early builds of 25H2 show the opposite for many people. New AI-related background services, indexing and background optimization after update, driver incompatibility. If you have an older CPU or 8 GB RAM, these small performance issues become big headaches. Task Manager and Start menu glitches. Windows 11 has a history of weird UI bugs, and 25H2 continues that trend. Common UI problems reported: Task Manager opening twice or duplicating itself, Start menu items not responding, Taskbar icons disappearing randomly, transparency glitches, widgets panel overlapping the taskbar. Task Manager duplication is one of the funniest yet most annoying issues. It has already been seen in preview builds. While these bugs usually get patched quickly, they can break your workflow if you use your PC for productivity. Networking and SMB issues. Many early testers observed network-related problems, especially slower Wi-Fi speeds, network printers not recognized, SMB shares not appearing, shared folders failing to connect, random disconnects during downloads. SMB, server message block, is what your PC uses to connect to network storage, printers, and shared folders. If you work in an office or you transfer files between devices at home, this bug alone can make 25H2 a massive headache. Broken recovery and WinRAR issues. This one is serious. Some users report recovery environment, WinRAR not loading, keyboard or mouse not working on recovery screen, reset PC failing with an error, system restore crashing. Imagine needing to repair your system after an update failure, and then even your recovery tools don't work. This is why updating early can be risky. 25H2 still seems to have instability in recovery tools, especially on older hardware. Driver incompatibility and app crashes. Drivers are a big reason updates break. 25H2 testers report GPU drivers crashing, old Wi-Fi adapters disconnecting, audio drivers malfunctioning, touchpad gestures breaking, webcam apps not detecting the camera. Some apps also crash more often, especially video editors, older games, virtualization apps, third-party file explorers. When Windows updates faster than manufacturers release drivers, these issues appear and usually last for weeks. Copilot and AI features still unstable. Windows 11 25H2 pushes more AI features like Copilot, Recall on supported hardware, and Smart Suggestions. But problems reported include Copilot refusing to open, Copilot window stuck on loading, high RAM usage, unwanted AI processes running in background, privacy concerns with new scanning features. If you value performance over AI features, you might want to hold off until these issues stabilize. Battery drain and overheating on laptops. Laptop users have complained about faster battery drain, fans running constantly, higher idle temperatures, CPU spikes even when doing nothing. This is usually caused by background indexing and new system services introduced in the update. If you're on a laptop, wait at least 2 to 3 weeks after the update releases so these issues get patched. You should delay the Windows 11 25H2 update if you use your PC for work or school, you have an older laptop, you use specialized software, you rely on network printers or shared drives, you don't want AI features running in background. Waiting even 1 or 2 weeks can save you from early bugs. You can install 25H2 early if you like testing new features, your PC is new and powerful, you know how to fix Windows issues, you don't rely on your PC for critical tasks, you regularly back up your data. If you fit this category, go ahead, but keep backups ready. So that's a complete look at the problems, bugs, and known issues in Windows 11 25H2. Should you update? If you want stability, wait. If you want the latest features, go for it, but be prepared for some hiccups. Let me know in the comments. Are you planning to update to 25H2 immediately, or will you wait? If this video helped you, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more easy Windows updates and tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.